What's good, my people? So I'm starting my European tour today and together with my partner. You ready for this trip? You ready to go wild? Yeah, I know, you're always ready, yeah? You're always ready. We're starting today our driving adventure. I'm excited. It's gonna be 1 month of driving around European countries, doing workshops, enjoying beautiful moments with my brother JB, and exchanging with people and just having a beautiful time.
We are starting to drive from Warsaw to Wrocław. After that, we're going directly to Czech Republic, then to Austria, then to Germany, then to Switzerland, to France, and finally to Spain.
That's the first day of the tour, and I just arrived to Wrocław, checked in the apartment. JB, let's go, let's check. Nice apartment, pretty good view. JB, what you found there? Look at this guy. He already found. Hey, JB, JB. You're a gangster. So the first day is pretty much done. It wasn't something special. Mostly I was driving the whole day from Warsaw to Wrocław. Then I had a little bit of time to chill, to eat amazing ramen. Thank you, big girl Paulina, for recommending me this place.
It's been a while since I was in Wrocław last time, so I took GB and we went to check evening streets of the city, some places just to enjoy the environment and not to do anything particular, just having fun and walking around the city.
Now we're chilling, taking some energy for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going directly from Wrocław to Prague, where I'm gonna stay for the next 4 days and actually gonna have 2 workshops. That's gonna be the beginning of my European workshop tour, and I'm really excited that I have this opportunity to travel with this guy, with this boy, and to do my favorite thing that I like to do, breaking. That's it's all about. Like, frankly speaking, I was dreaming about such tour for a long time. That was one of my goals. I wanted to organize something like that, to go through Europe by car, going from one city to another, sharing my knowledge and experience at the workshops, but at the same moment have a beautiful lifetime moments and memories during the trip, and like checking different places. And that was something I was always thinking about, but for many reasons, for many situations that were like affecting on basic life, I was not able to accomplish it. And finally, right now, I felt that that's it. That's the moment. That's exactly the time when I have to put this goal and accomplish it together with JB. Also, one of our dream was to bring this guy to the beach in Spain, to let him enjoy that like freedom and environment, running on the beach, to see the waves and everything, like to experience something interesting for him as well. So finally, that's the moment. That's why the tour is started right now, and that's one of the goals, like to not postpone your dreams and what you trying to achieve for some day. No, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. If you're dreaming about something and you want to achieve some goals, you need to start it right now. 7:30 in the morning, just woke up. Today is day number 2, and I'm going to Prague from Wrocław. Let's check how it looks outside. The weather is not really nice, but it is what it is. We continue our journey. JB, let's go. That was our favorite vegan place in Prague, and I asked the owner of the place what it's all about, so many dogs on the wall, and she said, "That's all my dogs." They met pet friendly, so of course it was our spot. Yo, we just came to the restaurant and they have this corner for kids. And check what this guy did. JB, he found his toy. JB. Just arrived to Prague. Last time I was in Prague was legit blast. I think it was 2018, and that was already 7 years ago. Time flies. Now I'm back. Gonna do 2 workshops here. From Wrocław to Prague, it took me around 3.5 hours to drive, so it was fast, and I don't feel absolutely any kind of like stress of driving or like too much driving. I plan my workshop in that way that I have enough of time to take a rest in each city where I'm going, and that the distance between the cities is kind of not more than 400 kilometers. So to drive 400 kilometers is not a big deal, honestly. Thank you to Bboy Alfonso for organizing this workshop and make it happen. Appreciate it. A little bit of morning routine with this guy, checking some parks of Prague. He's excited, it's crazy. GB, how you feel? That's his stick. He likes actually small sticks. Let's go. A little bit of happiness. A little bit of zoomies. The main benefit of traveling by yourself is that you're getting out of your comfort bubble. You're not in touch with the people you know. There are no friends around you, no people who like actually used to talk. The city is opening for you in a different way. You start to research the city. You start to talk to people more. You check in different places, and that process is something that everybody needs to feel at least once in their life. To find those spots, the best places in the city, with the best food, with the best coffee, with the best music, like best sightseeing places. I think, in my opinion, that's the most important benefit of traveling by yourself, getting that experience. Day 3 of my European workshop tour, and today I'm going to a small city not far away from Prague, which is called Louny, where we're gonna do the private class only for 5 people with advanced level, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be interesting. We can go deeper into the movement process, into the concepts, and to see what's gonna happen after this, how it's gonna actually affect on the creativity and approach of everyone who gonna visit the class. Let's go. can say for sure is that even I've been in Prague many times, but mostly for the breaking events, and I can compare that experience, breaking event, and to come to Prague just like that, for This is my final day in Prague. Tomorrow I'm leaving to Vienna. So 4 days were packed like crazy. So many things were happening that I felt like this is the whole month. 2 classes are done. A lot of walking in the streets, checking different places, good quality coffee. Actually, a lot of nice coffee places here, vegan food. It was pretty nice and interesting to be here and to check the lifestyle of the city, of the people. So let's see what's gonna happen in Vienna.